water feels so nice. Dust and sweat from nighttime play, wash them all goodbye away. Soap and water, gentle care, clean fresh face shows love is there. Wipe, wipe, smile so bright, clean face starts my day just right. Clean face, happy face, shiny smile in every place. Wash, wash, every day, germs and dirt go far away. Clean face, healthy face, soft and fresh, what a grace. Morning time and nighttime too, cleaning face is good for you. Our face helps us see and smile, eyes and nose need care all the while. Clean skin helps us stay so neat, keeps us feeling cool and sweet. No itch, itch, no red, red too. Clean face helps our skin feel new. When our face is clean and bright, we feel happy, calm and light. La la la, splash, 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 la la la. Clean up dash, la la la. Wipe it dry, clean face, oh my, if we don't wash, dirt stays there. Dust and germs say hello, we're here. Sticky skin and itch, itch play, pimples pop and won't go away. Eyes may burn, nose feels tight, face feels tired, not so right. So we wash and keep it neat. Clean face makes us feel complete. Clean face, happy face, shiny smile in every place. Wash, wash, every day, germs and dirt go far away. Morning wash to start the day, nighttime wash to end our play. Before we sleep, clean and dry. Clean face says a soft good night.